Don't make boring slide in PowerPoint. Instead, let's design this smooth more transition animation. Watch till the end, and if you want the editable file, the link is in the description below. So let's get started. Start with a blank slide. Right click, format background and choose your background color. Go to shape and choose oval. Hold shift and drag to draw a perfect circle. Go to align, align middle and align right. Change the shape fill color. Remove the outline. Then go to shape effect, shadow, offset right. Increase shadow size and blur for a soft look. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the circle. Change its color and make 3 more circles in the same order, each with different color. Now select all ovals. Go to Align. Select Distribute horizontally. Insert a text box for your title and another for the subtitle. Once done, right-click on the slide and duplicate it. On the first slide, select all shape and text. Go to Arrange, Align left and move them outside the slide area. Then, insert your main heading text here. Now, copy the text and paste this heading onto the second slide and move it out to the right side. Go to Transition, select Morph. Finally, play the slideshow from the beginning. You will see a beautiful smooth morph animation effect. And here the final result. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Aksharika Tutorials.